Hi guys, the Minecart TNT here, and today I'm going to be showing you a safety system, a roller coaster lift hill safety system that I built, engineered, and developed myself. The way it works is, here, let me show you. Let's say we're going uphill. Hang on. Reconnect apart. I'm sorry. Okay, come on. And we're connected. Okay. Now let's say we're going up, right? Then oh no, we have a problem. We gotta stop it. We just engage that lock. And then it's held in. Right? This little lock here, it locks it in. And the only way to disable it is put the motor in reverse. And then as you can see, the lock is released. Now let's say we have a problem and we have it locked in. Okay. But now we gotta get it back down, but our motor fails. Right? So what we do is, let me grab something here. I just drew on my bed by accident. Pencil. Here. What we do is we go in here and we release. It's the what I call the ready release system. It's the ready release system. Sorry, this is really hard to hold. Right here, this pin, we go in and disable. Go in like that and pull it out, and then it's a fully disabled. Now we've just completely disabled the motor. Like, the motor does nothing. See? Right? So now our motor's busted, let's say, but now it's completely disconnected, because what we're about to do next is dangerous to do with the bad motor, because you never know what could happen. Could be dangerous with the live motor, so now anything that happens, completely disabled. Anyways, what we do is we disable the lock, which we can do also by a different mechanism. Disabled. And it automatically lets itself down. Just the weight of the roller coaster cars. Right? And it just, you know, it just let itself back down. You know? And it just kind of went down and stopped. So I'm actually going to put one more piece in of track. Hang on. Okay. So, you know, now we have another piece installed. So it can just kind of disable, disarm, and it lets the cars go back down. Right? And we have our lock, and then the ready release. So that's if our motor busts or if there's a problem ahead of the track and we need to stop it on the lift hill. That's the way to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was my custom built roller coaster lift hill safety system. That you know, I think would be something cool to have on roller coasters. That would be helpful. I mean, I think it would just be something interesting to do, to have aboard. And now I'm just gonna do a full run by of the system again, to just kind of a run by of the system. I'm just gonna, you know, fully engage. It's going up. thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later. The minecart of TNT out. Goodbye. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye isn't the video ending. Come on, come on. Come on. Okay, here we go. I think I was pressing the wrong button. Okay, bye.